Hey Steve, I thought I'd give you a quick little walkthrough of my RV. And boy, if you ever were going to think about buying one, see right there where the mirror is? That is actually the Murphy bed. And those backs of the recliners there, they fold down. And those, that's the cab up there. I got the curtains around. And there's here's where the pop-up TV is right there. You can either watch it down there or whatever, but it's got little shades on everything. It's got a safe and a stereo system, and as I say, these seats swing around, and now looking back, there's your little kitchen, well, little countertop, and over here's your fridge, and that's a big ass fridge for this size unit. Got a microwave convection oven right there, so it's got a full-size refrigerator, well, a big refrigerator, and then the freezer, and that runs on gas, propane, electricity, battery. So when you drive down the road, you got it on automatic. So anyway, these are, as I said, not very comfortable electric recliners, but you know, they're good enough. And when you stand it back, the Murphy bed folds down on top of that, then it becomes your bedroom. Got a little cooktop there, little sink, got Insta-Hot. Whoop, sorry, got some crap in the sink. And here's the bathroom. Now that's a big shower for this size unit. So you can step in here, the door slides, so you have complete privacy. Toilet, shower, and it's got this dome up here where, you know, my son is 6'1", and they can stand inside and all that. And there's your sink, closet, drawers, storage, medicine cabinet. It's the real deal. That's exhaust fan right there will pull your hair up while you're sitting on the throne. I'm going to give you a little nickel tour on the outside. Right now the generator's running. So anyway, hope you enjoy this.